All right, that was 6 mini cans of my orange Fanta and 3 boxes of my French vanilla cake mix in my large aluminum pan. We are whisking this all together to create a delicious, fluffy, orange creamsicle cake. Yep, you heard that right. Orange creamsicle is one of my favorite flavor combinations in the entire world. So when I thought about this recipe, I knew I had to use the orange Fanta soda. So the mini cans are those 7.5 ounces cans, and we use 6 of them with the 3 boxes, and I found that that is the perfect ratio for these soda cakes. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk this together until it is fully combined. All right, we got this all mixed together. It looks like the perfect cake batter. And now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes. The cake is out of the oven and we're letting it cool. So now I'm coming in with a medium bowl and my vanilla instant pudding. This is the family size. We're gonna use that whole entire box. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. You could use the cheesecake flavor or the white chocolate flavor. And now I'm coming in with my whole milk, and you need to make sure your milk is extra cold. And we're gonna measure out about 2 cups of milk, a little bit extra. The box does call for 3, so it's okay if you do a little bit over 2. And once we have that in our bowl, we're gonna grab our whisk and we are gonna mix this together. We want an extra thick, extra yummy vanilla pudding. Make sure all of that pudding mix gets disintegrated into our milk. Make sure your milk is cold and make sure it gets nice and yummy. Now that our pudding is nice and thick, I am gonna come in with my original Cool Whip, and this is the 16 ounces, and we're gonna add all of that to our vanilla pudding. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna make an extra yummy topping for our cake. I love making this kind of topping instead of a frosting because it is so easy and it's so much more tasty. It's a little bit lighter than a frosting, but it is gonna be perfect with that orange cream cake we just made. And we're just folding in our pudding with our Cool Whip, and we're gonna have plenty of topping for that extra large and in charge cake. Ooh, I am so excited for this. This is gonna be yummy, it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna taste like summer, spring, all my favorite seasons in one cake. So let's make sure that this gets well combined. All right, this looks like it's mixed well enough. Now we can come back in with our orange cake. Oh my goodness, it looks absolutely perfect.
Delicious.
Okay, we are gonna top our cake with our pudding Cool Whip mixture. Ooh, look how creamy and delicious that is. The cake smells good. The Cool Whip mixture smells good. And we're gonna make sure that we get this spread from edge to edge. It looks like it's gonna be the perfect amount of topping for this summer dessert. Oh, all right, let's make sure we get it all smoothed out. All right, that looks absolutely perfect, but of course we need to add something on the top of this. And I'm gonna do some mandarin oranges, just connect the top to what's underneath that frosting. And we're just gonna place a couple of mandarin oranges sporadically onto our cake. And then it is gonna be ready to indulge in. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. So let's quickly get our oranges on there. You can do a nut or a sprinkle or whatever you prefer, but what's better than fresh fruit? Oh my, this looks so good. It is finally time to dig in to our orange cream cake. Oh, it's soft. Oh yeah. Look at that beauty. That looks so delicious. All right. Go ahead and put her. Oh, she's crumbly. Talk about a moist cake. Ah! You guys could probably let it sit for a little longer than me, but you couldn't wait any longer. Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
That's incredible, you guys. You're gonna love it.